Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make frame video in Premiere Pro. We'll start by opening the Essential Graphics panel, which is your go-to for custom designs. You'll learn to draw a simple shape, then adjust its properties to create a unique border. This technique is incredibly versatile, allowing for endless creative possibilities to enhance your video's visual appeal. First, navigate to the Essential Graphics panel and select the Rectangle tool. Draw a shape that covers your video, then adjust its size and position. Next, in the Appearance section, set the fill to 0% opacity. Then, enable the stroke option and choose your desired color and width, perhaps a clean white with a width of 10 pixels. This forms the basic structure of your frame. Now, let's refine the frame's look. You can add a subtle drop shadow from the Effects Controls panel to give it more depth, perhaps with a distance of 5 and a softness of 10. Experiment with different stroke colors and opacities to perfectly match your video's aesthetic. Remember, the goal is to enhance your footage, not overpower it, so keep it visually balanced and appealing. Once your frame is perfect, you can easily duplicate it for other clips by copying and pasting. For easier management, group the frame graphic with your video layer in the timeline. This allows you to move and scale them together seamlessly. Finally, export your video as usual, and you'll have a professionally framed piece of content ready to share with your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.